When you log in, you are presented with your dashboard, which gives you information about your leave as well as any outstanding actions you may have to complete. You can submit a request either by clicking the New Request button, the Plus button, or by clicking on a date in the calendar. The system comes with a directory of employees and an org chart. The Company Docs section is where you can find all policies and company documents which have been shared with you. You may have been asked to acknowledge some documents, so click on it to preview and then click the Acknowledge button. View a list of your requests and take a look at your allowances. These can be separated into different allowance types with various different settings associated. There's also a team calendar to view who else is off at any given time. The Clock In and Out section allows you to clock in at the beginning of the day, take breaks, and clock out. This will automatically create a timesheet of your working hours each week. The Location feature allows you to mark where you plan on working from each day. You can also see a calendar view of where your colleagues are working on any given day across different locations. Your profile is split out into different HR processes: personal, employment, performance, learning, and assets. This is where your HR data is stored. Some fields will be self-service, so you can edit them as necessary. Other fields have a click to reveal function for extra security. Within each of the HR processes, you'll have a record section too, which is where you can store physical documentation or attachments to your profile. You may be assigned a checklist to complete. This is a list of items to work through. When you have done each item, just tick it off on the list and your progress will update. Back on the dashboard, you can view your notifications and any announcements we may have distributed. You can also configure elements of the dashboard, so you can add or remove sections as you need.